Hey, we're back. So today we are making a DIY planter. But the thing about this is that I didn't want to create a complete box and fill it with soil. So I have little containers I'm going to put inside once I screw all of this together. And that way everything stays contained in one space, but then I can take it out if I need to change the soil, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go right into it. Okay, so just kind of show you what I'm doing. I'm just gonna complete it and come back to you guys. Because you're gonna need to see me drill all these holes. So I'm just gonna drill all of these together just like that to create my box. 2 seconds. And these are the bins that will sit in the inside like that, all the way across. So the last one might be a little tight, so I should just probably put that in while I'm screwing them all in. But that's essentially it. Okay guys, this is it completed. My little 1.99 bins. I'll take one out. Although it's a tight fit, I'm okay with the tight fit. Got it from at home. Small bin. Then I have the bigger one for the big boys, like my tomatoes and bell peppers and that sort of thing. They're going to be in here. This is $4.99. So that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to put some holes in the bottom of these just so the water can drip out. But yep, that's it. So the rest of the video will be me planting the seeds. So I hope you guys are excited like I am. Look, there go my visitor. That's always visiting. Lord Jesus. Alright, stay tuned.